Hello there. Kim, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, you're...
Doug Jenkins in apartment 5C.
I recognize you from down in the lobby. Sometimes I see you waiting for the elevator.
It takes forever these days.
One patient at a time.
Passenger.
When people don't take the stairs, I assume they have a disability.
You assume wrong.
Guess I'm too lazy to think of another reason.
Try presentability.
What?
I'm a banker. My work entails video calls to clients. I can't be out of breath or sweating.
Walking up a few flights?
I'm higher up than you.
Only one floor?
I'm also somewhat older.
All the more needs to get fit.
Thanks for your concern. Now,
Cardiovascular health is important for seniors.
I'm not in that category yet.
Take the stairs and you'll get there.
I'm in no rush. Anyway, Marion gave me your number.
Is she okay?
Good as gold.
Haven't seen her lately.
She's staying indoors.
At her age, she must be a prime target.
In the vulnerable group.
Does she need someone to do her shopping?
She's arranged deliveries.
Cool.
I'm calling about another matter.
Just say the word. Happy to lend a hand.
That's very kind of you, Kim.
Times like this, neighbors got to look out for each other.
Absolutely.
How can I help?
I've noticed you feeding birds on your balcony.
So?
They're also landing on mine.
Lucky you.
I hardly know how to ask this, but
One tips on feeding them: cross-cause constipation and seeds keep them regular.
they do their business on my railing. It dribbles down, leaving a vertical smear on the glass.
The sign of a healthy gut.
I'm trying to be polite.
The stuff washes off easy.
When it's fresh, but if I miss a bit on the far underside of the railing, it soon solidifies.
Wanna borrow a hammer and chisel?
Kim, the birds are a nuisance.
They shoo them away.
I do, but they keep coming back. Look, there's one now. Hey!
They are making you exercise. Just what you need.
You need to stop your irresponsible behavior.
Come off it, dude.
I was hoping you'd respond to a friendly chat.
You hope wrong.
Consider this an official warning.
Ooh.
I mean it.
You can't even scare the sparrow.
I am on the committee.
Big deal.
We have the power to enforce compliance.
Small pets are allowed.
You're welcome to a canary in a cage.
Birds need to be free.
Fine, feed them down in the park.
I'm only allowed out for essential shopping and exercise.
Sprinkle seeds while you walk.
Can't risk that, Doug. The cops have the power to enforce compliance.
Are you prepared to resolve this issue or not?
Guess I could try putting the birds in diapers.
Right. I am inviting Marion to join this call. Maybe you listen to the chairperson.
Have you already squealed on me?
I haven't breathed a word to her yet. I was hoping there'd be no need.
The hopes keep getting dashed, don't they?
Not in the long run.
Doug. Oh, Doug, how lovely. Thank you for calling back. Oh, and you're here too, Kim.
Hey, Marion.
Isn't this cozy?
We've been having a talk.
I'm thrilled. I love fostering introductions.
It's been an eye-opener.
Oh, wonderful.
Listen, Marion, sorry to be a wet blanket, but I must raise a delicate matter.
Oh, let me make it easy for you, Doug. I'm stepping down as chairperson.
Really?
It's time to pass on the baton.
If that's your decision.
And for my last act, Doug, I endorse you as my successor.
There'll have to be a vote.
Oh, purely a formality. The committee agrees with me. You have the skills and the dedication.
Thank you. I promise I will always be guided by what's best for the building.
Marion, are you sure you are doing the right thing for you?
Yes, dear.
You told me that after you retired, you needed this role to give your life a sense of purpose.
I was very selfish.
What's changed?
Don't laugh. I've had a revelation, a visitation.
How do you mean?
Well, not exactly from a flight of angels, but close.
You don't need to explain anything.
I want to share the miracle.
Go on then.
Until last week, I was extremely depressed, stuck in here alone, wallowing in self-pity. And then one day, my French doors were open and a sparrow hopped in right onto my carpet, followed by another and another, half a dozen or more. I was too stunned to do an accurate count. The birds moseyed around for a while, chirping. Then they popped out and flew away. I thought I must have been dreaming. You have to understand, I've lived in this apartment for over 40 years. Nothing like this has ever happened before. But the next day, they returned. And every day since, staying longer each time. They're so tame. The darling creatures, they eat right out of my hand.
So you're feeding them?
Oh, only since yesterday. That's not what attracted them. It's as if they sensed my loneliness. You'll think I'm silly. I've written a poem. Would you like to hear it?
Sure.
I scatter breadcrumbs for the sparrows. I love their revelry. My heart's besieged by slings and arrows. The birds are feeding me.
Oh, that's so sweet. Don't you think so, Doug?
I'm not a poetry person.
Well, I hope the committee are. I'm sending a group email rhapsodizing about my experience.
Good for you.
Kim, Doug's promotion leaves a vacancy. Would you consider stepping in?
What's involved?
Considerable responsibility, deciding what will be most beneficial to our well-being.
That sounds right up my alley.
There need to be a vote.
Oh, don't worry about that. My recommendation will carry a huge weight.
We will be working together, Doug.
Apparently.
I have to get used to the packing order.
Oh, we don't tolerate any petty politics. At least we didn't on my watch.
You should still come to the meeting, Marion, as an observer.
A lovely thought, but I'd hate to tread on any toes.
Well, you won't be treading on any toes. You will be keeping us on our toes, won't she, Doug?
I have no objection.
Then I accept. Oh, this gives me something to look forward to. My blessings just keep coming.
Wait and see. Any day now, expect pigeons!